Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on LearnPy. Today we'll be learning augmented operator. Okay, so augmented operator. So instead of we doing something like u plus 2, okay, we want to add the value of 2, that's u, and this 2, this is giving us 4. Okay, you can simply use the operator sign and then equal to sign, so you still get the same value, and this works for all the operators. So let's try that out. So let me cancel this and let's try z equals 6. Okay. So we want to add the value of z. Okay, so z equals z plus 2. Okay, let's print z. So we got 8. Okay, so 6 plus 2 gave us 8. Okay, so now let's try the augmented operator. Okay, so that's let's see, z equals 6. Then let's try z plus equals 2. Then let's print z. So you could see we got the same value. Okay, so augmented assignment operator is just simple. Okay, so instead of writing a bunch of code, just simply doing this should give you the same result. Okay, so let's do that for subtraction. So let's put here, you can put the minus sign, shift enter, equals 4. Let's try multiplication. Okay, this you got 7. Okay, 12. Let's try that for division. 8. Let's say we want an integer, we don't want float, so I'm going to add another division symbol. Okay, so you have an integer, not float. Okay, let's try that for haven't we done here? Okay, so I think we've done most of the operators. Okay, so that's it. So let's try one last. Okay, so sorry, let's say a equals 4. Then a times equals to 4. So 4 should give us 16. So let's print a. We got 16. Okay, so that's that for augmented assignment operator. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.